Hello guys, so today I am here in my little garden because I am going to pick up some kale for dinner tonight and also for the fresh juice that I'm going to make. I am thinking to make alkaline boosting kale juice. Kale can be made on its own or in a combination of other fruits and vegetables such as lemons, apples, pineapple, kiwi fruits, cucumber, celery, spinach, and ginger. So these are the kale that we pick up. All we do is just wash it really good. Then I have one head of celery here and one lemon. So this might be a bit sour, so it's up to you to adjust the need of your taste in this juice. Kale is loaded with powerful antioxidant. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, one of the best source of vitamin K, high in nutrients and very low in calories. It is high in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that the body can turn into vitamin A. The important minerals are found in kale. These include calcium, potassium, and magnesium. It makes an excellent addition to a weight loss diet also. Celery is rich in vitamins and minerals. You'll enjoy vitamin A, K, and C plus minerals like potassium and folate when you eat celery. It is also low in sodium. While lemon is high in heart health, vitamin C, and several beneficial plant compounds that may lower cholesterol. It is best to drink right away after we prepared in this juice. Now we are done, and this is all the juice that we get in our kale, celery, and lemon. So all we do is just put it in a glass and drink it right away to get more benefits in it. Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and hit that bell for a new video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate for the support and love of my channel. Have a good day.